Today we are going to talk about dark circles, sagging skin around our eyes. So I like to put the eye cream here. In fact, sometimes I'll do it twice when I notice that they're more intense. And this eye cream, I'm telling you that it is the best. Now we have this awesome under eye corrector and it has a peach color in it. And so it will totally wipe out any kind of dark circles. It will take it and change it and lighten it. Also has a light diffuser in it and it has hydration. Brand new product, just came out a few weeks ago. Love it. It's called Champagne. Absolutely fabulous. This is Cashmere and I don't use it enough, but it is a very cool color. It's not a gray, it's not a purple, it's right in between. And now this is actually a purple. And I'm patting it where I want it, and then I will blend it out. And then I used a blue liner. These are brand new, so creamy. This is the finished look. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell